The topic for today is how ChatGPT automation is harder than you think. As artificial intelligence has matured, ChatGPT has evolved into a powerful tool for automating various tasks. However, underlying its apparent simplicity of usage lies a plethora of challenges. In this video, we'll look at the complexities of ChatGPT automation, as well as the difficulties that developers and researchers face. ChatGPT is built on OpenAI's GPT 3.5 framework. It's a cutting-edge language model that was trained on vast amounts of text data. ChatGPT has made great progress in natural language processing because of its capacity to recognize context and provide logical answers. 1. The power of ChatGPT. ChatGPT's strength resides in its conversational ability. It can have human-like dialogues with users, giving them a responsive and dynamic experience. ChatGPT has demonstrated enormous potential in automating many jobs that people have previously handled, whether it's answering queries, simulating a conversation, or producing content. Furthermore, ChatGPT's adaptability allows it to be used in a variety of disciplines and sectors. It may help organizations with customer assistance by delivering immediate solutions to inquiries. It may also be utilized in content production, assisting writers, marketers, and artists in creating high-quality material more effectively. ChatGPT's conversational nature allows it to adapt to various user inputs and create contextually relevant replies. It can comprehend and respond to a wide range of topics, making it an invaluable tool for information retrieval and knowledge exchange. It's crucial to emphasize, however, that the potential of ChatGPT comes with specific obstacles and concerns that developers and researchers must address in order to ensure its responsible and successful usage. We'll go through these issues in further depth in the next sections. 2. The challenge of data bias. The existence of data bias is one of the most critical issues in ChatGPT automation. ChatGPT learns using massive volumes of text data available on the internet, including sources with varying perspectives and potential biases. As a result, biases in the training data may be mistakenly absorbed and replicated by the model. Bias in data may take many forms, including racial, gender, cultural, and ideological prejudices. Stereotypes, discriminatory behavior, and insulting language can all be perpetuated by these prejudices. As a result, it is critical to identify and minimize data bias in ChatGPT replies to ensure fairness and prevent propagating negative preconceptions. Furthermore, continual monitoring and assessment of ChatGPT replies are required to detect and correct any biased or improper behavior. User input and continual improvement are critical in refining the model's comprehension and answer generation. 3. Ensuring safety and ethical use. One of the most pressing challenges with ChatGPT automation is guaranteeing safety and ethical use. While ChatGPT has enormous promise but has significant hazards if not properly handled. Let's go further into the issues and ways of dealing with them. Disinformation and malicious utilization. Malicious users can utilize ChatGPT to propagate disinformation, participating in damaging activities, or even arrange unlawful operations. To mitigate this, developers and researchers must put in place strong protections. Information filtering techniques can aid in identifying and blocking harmful or unsuitable information. Monitoring systems can detect and alert to possible misuse, allowing immediate intervention. Incorporating user feedback loops can also enhance the system's capacity to detect and address such incidents. User content and transparency. Being transparent while using ChatGPT automation is critical. Users should be informed when communicating with an AI system rather than a human. Clear disclosures should be made to gain user consent for data collection, storage, and usage. To properly manage expectations, developers should also make efforts to educate users about ChatGPT's capabilities and limits. Transparency and openness enhance trust and support in the ethical usage of AI technologies. Making ethical decisions. ChatGPT may meet scenarios requiring ethical decision-making. In emergencies or ethically dubious settings, the machine should be programmed to request human assistance or check specified ethical principles. This ensures that ChatGPT does not make judgments that might have serious ethical consequences. The correct balance of automatic reactions and human control becomes critical to avoid possible injury or ethical difficulties. 4. Controlling unintended behavior. Controlling undesired behavior is one of the issues with ChatGPT automation. While ChatGPT is a strong language model, it can occasionally provide inaccurate or illogical replies. This can occur because of limits in training data or inherent biases in the data from which it is learned. concerned. Developers use a variety of approaches to address this issue. One method is to fine-tune the model with specific datasets that correspond to the intended behavior. Developers may assist ChatGPT to produce more accurate and contextually relevant responses by exposing the model to carefully curated samples and offering feedback on generated responses. Reinforcement learning techniques are also used to enhance ChatGPT's behavior. Continuous refinement and improving the model's training pipeline are critical to prevent unexpected behavior. Furthermore, openness about the system's limits is critical. By informing consumers that ChatGPT is an AI assistant rather than a human, it helps manage expectations and avoid misunderstandings. This openness guarantees that customers understand ChatGPT's capabilities and limitations, resulting in a more realistic and dependable user experience. Developers seek to increase the model's accuracy and dependability by using approaches such as fine-tuning, reinforcement learning, and user feedback loops. However, it is critical to understand that completely eliminating unwanted behavior is a continual process that necessitates constant refining and user feedback. 5. Striking the balance. In ChatGPT automation, finding the correct balance between human support and automation is critical. While ChatGPT can automate many jobs, there are those that require human interaction and monitoring to ensure accurate and ethical results. Understanding ChatGPT's limits is one difficulty. While it excels at responding to patterns in training data, it may struggle with sophisticated or nuanced inquiries that need human judgment or contextual knowledge. Human agents can deliver more precise and targeted replies in such circumstances. Furthermore, ethical issues are critical in achieving the correct balance. Relying primarily on automation for certain jobs may violate ethical norms or user expectations. Some scenarios necessitate empathy, compassion, or the capacity to perceive emotions, qualities that human agents possess and are required for best support. Another factor to consider is how automation may affect job displacement. While automation can enhance efficiency and streamline operations, it can also result in job losses or dramatic changes in the employment market. Striking a balance between automation and human engagement can help alleviate these worries by allowing for a more seamless transition and redefining jobs to capitalize on people's and AI's capabilities. To strike the right balance, developers and organizations must carefully analyze use cases, assess ChatGPT's capabilities, and identify jobs where human participation provides value. User input aids in the refinement of the system and ensures that it meets expectations and requirements of the users. Balancing automation and human interaction in ChatGPT is a challenging task that must be carefully considered. It entails comprehending the AI system's capabilities and limits, considering ethical concerns, and including users in the feedback process. Developers may construct systems that give efficient and accurate support while retaining the human touch when necessary by striking the correct balance. We hope this video illuminated the complexities of ChatGPT automation and enhanced your awareness of the issues involved. Please share your ideas and experiences in the space below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational stuff. Until next time, be interested and keep exploring the amazing realm of artificial intelligence.